I'm just about to launch a product on Amazon. Do you have a checklist for me? No, was the answer to that. However, I've actually put one together for you. So here it is. Look, I've called it the new Amazon product launch checklist. And just because I'm OCD, I must make sure that that is capitalized. And I'm going to post it. Boink. There. So that is now in the Facebook group for you. There it is. New product launch checklist. And this is what it looks like. So I've gone through heaps of things which are kind of disparate and spread out among the AOE modules, things that we do along the way, and consolidated them and put them into one kind of checklist for you, so it's all there. So the product concept, is it all validated? Is it something new for a customer? You're not going to sell a Me Too product. Does the product solve a problem? Then we talked about logistics, financial goals, make sure it makes money for you, assessing the marketplace, Amazon optimization to make sure that you've got all your fees set up in place, and actually make sure that little things like your packaging is the correct size. Little packaging mistakes can cost you a shitload of money on Amazon. So I've gone through the whole thing for you, and that is now all in there for you, all right? And I've posted that in here, product launch checklist. So again, if you're watching the recording, all you need to do is take that Amazon product launch checklist and copy that into that search function like that. Hit that, and hopefully that will come up. There you go, at the top. So that's how you find anything in the Facebook group. Just go to the search function and go search for it there, all right? So I've done all that for you. You don't need to worry about it anymore. If you're watching the recording, again, here's what's on it. Product concept, product logistics, financial goals and metrics, very, very important. You've got to make sure you make money. Marketplace, assessing the marketplace that you're going into, optimizing your Amazon business for stupid shit like the packaging size can, like a centimeter difference can put you into a whole new category of size on Amazon. And that new category that you go into for your product packaging size can be the difference between profit and loss. It's huge. So you want to make sure you get that right. Advertising and promotions, the branding, the shareability of the product, all there for you, all there for you. Okay, so that's all done too. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.